Hello dear viewer, welcome to Knowledge Spray channel. Today we are going to see how to display back the adjust last operation panel in Blender. I will be using Blender version 3.0 as you can see here. You can also see your Blender version by clicking here on the Blender icon and displaying the splash screen. The Blender version is displayed here. This is the latest version of Blender. I have also activated the screencast keys add-on so that you can see the keys I'm pressing here. I will press Ctrl spacebar to maximize the 3D viewport, as it is the only space that I need. Now, what is the adjust last operation panel? Let me demonstrate by selecting the cube, pressing G key for grab, and press it just anywhere. The adjust last operation panel is this panel that is displayed in the lower left corner. It helps to have more options that you can use to refine your operation. For better demonstration, I will select the cube, press tab to go into edit mode, go to edge select mode, select the upper right edge, and then press Ctrl B for bevel. I will just move the mouse to see how the bevel looks like, and then press left click. This is the bevel operations panel, and you can see how many options it gives, a lot of them. I will choose the width of 1 for demonstration purpose, and then set the segments to 10. I will go to custom and choose here, and then set the presets, to steps. As you see, the bevel has now a shape of steps. Where it is good that I have access to many options, but once I click outside the panel, it disappears. So today's lesson is for showing you for not panicking when it disappears. You can click F9 to bring it back. I will press F9. As you see, it is back. I can, for example, decide to set the segments to 5, and then make sure that the preset is again set to steps. Okay, you see the shape has changed again. Now it has again disappeared. There is another method of bringing it back. It is actually the real procedure, as F9 is the shortcut of it. You go to edit, and then you select adjust last operation. It is back. So you can again set, for example, the segments to 10, the step segments to 10, and then make sure that you select steps. You get back your original shape. Now it is gone. Let me, for the demonstration purpose again, tab out of edit mode, and then scale the cube. As you see, I get the panel of scaling here. Now, if I go to view and deselect adjust last operation, it is gone. If I make any other, like grabbing any other operation, it is not there. So to make sure that you always have it, you should always make sure it is checked, it is selected here. But of course, for let's say teaching purpose, for examination purpose, you may need to deactivate this, and it is important to know how to have it or not have it, or how to bring it back when you are modeling and you mistakenly click outside it and it disappears. Thank you, dear viewer. This was for today's tutorial. We saw how to display the adjust last operation panel, how to bring it back when it disappears, and how to choose whether you need to see it or not. Consider subscribing or pressing the notification icon for our future videos. Feel free to ask any question in the comments or write directly to me. I will respond. Ciao for the next video.